Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage on another beautiful afternoon. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 64 plate Mazda 3. This is the SEL navigation model, 2 litre petrol, 5 doors, finished in aluminium metallic, and the car has covered just 9,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this super low mileage 5-door Mazda 3. One private owner from new. 9,600 miles, 7 recorded services, so extremely well maintained. Obviously not due services on the mileage, but been done regardless. So really well looked after. 5-door model, SEL navigation, spec, so lovely level of trim. 2 litre petrol, so you may think expensive to run, however it's got the Sky Active technology, so the road tax is just £30 a year, so cheap to run. 6-speed manual gearbox, looks really well in the aluminium colour. Good looking cars, the Mazdas, we really like them ourselves. We've got a Mazda 2 in stock at the moment, a Mazda MX-5 in stock for when the sun really pokes its head out, as you can see over there. Really honest, reliable, well-appointed cars. Like I say, nice level of specification. You get remote central locking, 2 remote keys. It's got a push-button start with start-stop technology. Seats are all good as you'd expect. Leather centre armrest. Out to the door cards. Obviously in good shape as well. You've got 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. There's your button to turn off the start-stop facility. Up onto the steering wheel, we've got controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. And then on the other side you've got your radio controls, Bluetooth controls, as well as your voice recognition. Leather handbrake with some nice red stitching. Nice bit of colour, a couple of cup holders, and then I'll just pan back to the infotainment system, so it's all done through the screen at the top. Just down below you've got your heated seats, so 3 different settings on the heated seats, that's nice. You've got your climate control which appears here, CD player, and you've got some grippy storage for your phone or wallet, whatever it may be. There's your 6-speed gearbox, and then you've got your sort of iDrive system which controls the screen above. So you've got your home button, navigation, radio and so on. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, and then up on the dash, I won't go through it all, but you've got your navigation, radio, your Bluetooth, all controlled through that screen. Super easy to use. Glove box with all your handbooks. Just a nice place to be. Proper 5-door hatch, plenty of space, equivalent size to maybe a Focus, which it's based on really. 3 proper seat belts, 3 headrests, ISOFIX for the child seats, so it's a proper 5-seater. Got your floor mats as well. Along with electric windows in the back. And then across the rear you've got your parking sensors. And then into the load space. Parcel shelf, all intact. You've got split folding rear seats, and then an excellent size load space. Ample room. My wife actually drives one of these as our daily family car. Plenty of room for a pushchair. So there we go. 2014 on a 64 plate Mazda 3 SEL navigation, 2 litre petrol. 9,000 miles only from one owner with a comprehensive service history. Just £30 a year to tax. Finance is available from £233 a month with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to go and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely little car, great colour, nice mileage. I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks very much for watching.